All right, people, how you doing? Welcome back. All right, let's see what I got for you right now. I have a 1999 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Grand Cherokee, the big boy of the Jeeps. This is a 1/64 scale by Matchbox. And it has those big tires, Goodyear Wrangler tires. And this one, you can see the doors open. It's a collector's item. It came out probably in the mid 2000s. I'm not sure how rare they are, but I don't see much no more. Not even in the internet. You can see the detail in it. You can see the lining and the siding. You can see the Grand Cherokee by the door. Really nice. Really, really nice. Turn it around a little bit so you can see those headlights. The headlights are painted. You know, I'm not crazy about the painting. I'm more into the more realistic, hopefully like a piece of plastic that makes it look more like a headlight. But you know what? I'd rather see the painting than see nothing. But maybe, maybe if you put a little bit more into it, it would have been even better. But for a 1/64 scale, you cannot ask for miracles. They're not the super detailed scale. The 1/64 scale was a lot more for the youngsters to play with when we were growing up. We all had those Hot Wheels and Matchbox, and if you're in Europe, you all had those Majorettes and Corgi, and the Dinky. We all familiar with all these brands. And if you're in Japan, you all had that Tomica. Let me stop going around the world. Come on. All right. Flip it around. You can see a fog lights there. That's something I appreciate. Painted, but it's still something that shows there's a fog lights there in the bottom. You can see it painted. Flip it around. Those tires really give it a good looking, real good looking. I really appreciate when they make those efforts to make it more realistic. Well, when you pay more money for it, you want to see those efforts. This is not a dollar vehicle. This is not the one that you buy for $1 in Walmart or in Target. These were the collectibles. I think they were like $6, $7 back then. So you were expecting to see more detail. And you get it. You can't ask for a miracle, but you get it. You can see the interior. Look at that interior. I love that color. Beige interior with black also in the dashboard. Really nice. 4x4. Flip it around. All right. So there's the back. The tail lights are also painted. But you can see it. Really good quality. And also, let's flip it around a little more. The tail lights, I like the back. I'm not crazy about it, but I like it. It gives a more realistic look. Let me know what you guys think about the video. If you have this one, if you collect them, if you don't like this one, communicate in the comment box. Hopefully thumbs up. Click and subscribe. Also, click the bell. The bell lets you know when more videos are coming, and there's a lot more coming up. So a lot more. I have over 300 cars, so there's a lot more coming up. All right, I wanna be the master of the Diecast cars page. The guru. How tacky I am, right? Alright, people, hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and welcome to my page again. There goes, that's the front. And take care.